In this video, we're diving into how to implement a Salesforce call center. If you're looking to improve your customer support processes, manage your team efficiently, and streamline communication all in one place, stay tuned. I'll walk you through the steps to set up a Salesforce call center and show you how easy it is to get started. But first, you can try Salesforce for free with exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description below. Let's start with the basics. Setting up a Salesforce call center isn't as complicated as it might seem. Salesforce offers a variety of tools to help you connect with customers across multiple channels, including phone, chat, email, and social media. The first thing you'll need to do is set up your Salesforce environment. This involves creating an account and customizing it for your needs. You'll want to make sure you have the right permissions set up for your agents and managers. This ensures that your team can access the tools they need, but not more than necessary. Next thing you'll want to do is integrate your telephony system with Salesforce. Salesforce offers integrations with a range of call center systems. If you're using a third-party provider, make sure the integration is seamless. This way, when a call comes in, it will automatically create or update records in Salesforce, and agents will have all the customer details they need right in front of them. The third thing to focus on is setting up your support processes. Salesforce has a feature called Service Cloud, which allows you to create workflows that streamline your customer support operations. These workflows can automatically assign cases, escalate issues, and send notifications, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Another key part of setting up your Salesforce call center is training your team. Salesforce is incredibly powerful, but if your agents don't know how to use it, it's not going to be helpful. Make sure your team understands how to navigate the system, log cases, update records, and track performance metrics. Next thing is to configure your reports and dashboards. This is crucial for monitoring your call center's performance. Salesforce has built-in analytics that allow you to track things like call volume, response time, and customer satisfaction. Customizing your dashboards will give you a snapshot of how your team is performing in real time. Finally, once everything is set up, don't forget about optimization. Implement regular checks and get feedback from your team to ensure the system is working smoothly. Salesforce makes it easy to make adjustments as your call center grows, so you can keep improving over time. And here's the exciting part. If you're ready to implement your own Salesforce call center, you can do it today and even get started for free. Just click the first link in the description below for an extended free trial and exclusive bonuses. That's it for today's quick guide. We've gone over how to implement a Salesforce call center, from setting up your environment to optimizing performance. Don't forget to check out that free trial. This could be the step you need to take your customer support to the next level.